All right, one thing to consider is for job seekers in Tulsa, you can create as an administrator custom practice sets, custom questions for the job market and students, people that are landing roles in Tulsa specifically, which is really cool and unlike anything that's ever been done before in this space. Now, if you turn your attention here, I can go and ask the AI the question about the specific roles in Tulsa. So let's go. What are specific roles that are common in Tulsa, Oklahoma? Now, the AI will go ahead and create sort of answer to this question based on the prompt that I gave it. You'll notice I gave it a voice message that works just as fine as typing, so which is really cool. Yeah, so all these sectors, healthcare, so medical practitioners, aerospace engineers, so I can go in and create practice sets for these specific common roles. So I will perhaps do something along the lines of either cybersecurity, software, aerospace. So I can definitely do something along the lines of a cybersecurity analyst, which is interesting because that is quite a big thing, IT in Tulsa. So let's get going. Now, one thing, I'll dive in one step further. What companies specifically focus on cyber in Tulsa, which is important to consider. So let's go right ahead. Now, what companies hire for cyber in Tulsa, Oklahoma? Okay, gotcha. So definitely oil and gas companies, that's a huge sector out there in Tulsa, hiring for these roles in cyber. So definitely companies like Williams Companies and One Oak. Okay, so we can do something specific to One Oak, since that'll be very, very tangible for a job seeker in Tulsa. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, as you see, you can go in and create One Oak specific practice problems and practice sets for job seekers in Tulsa. That's how granular and specific you can get, which is really cool. Now, if you press add, you can basically create that, and now you can go in and basically create the actual practice sets, which I will dive into right now. So as you can see, you can basically go in and add in questions, add in the specific kind of role. Maybe One Oak has different kind of like roles that you want. Maybe you want to train One Oak software engineers, other oil and gas companies in the local area. So it's really, really interesting that you can use location specific practice. And yeah, so that's one really cool way you can customize this for your students, for your job seekers, which is really cool. And yeah, hope that really clarifies how one way you can use this platform for your benefit and for the benefit of everyone that you work with.